Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to multiply the first problem on the problem set, 30 times 24. So as you saw in Zern, you can break up numbers in different ways that'll help you multiply to make it a little bit easier. So we know that we can break up 30 since it's a multiple of 10, it ends in a 0. We can break that up into 3 times 10. And then I'm just going to leave 24 the same because that's not a multiple of 10. Now the reason that we break up this multiple of 10 into 3 times 10, which remember is just the expanded form or expanded notation, is because when I do times 10, I know that means all I need to do is move one place to the left. And that'll help me multiply. So I could do two things right now. I can multiply 3 times 24 first, or I can multiply 10 times 24 first and then multiply by 3. I think it's easiest if you save the multiple of 10 for the end. Whoops. So first, I'm going to multiply 3 times 24. So I'm going to do that to the side. 24 times 3. I know 4 times 3 is 12. I carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So I have 72. Now I still need to multiply by my multiple of 10. So now I have to do 72 times 10. Remember, all that means is I do 72 times 1, which is 72. And then I shift my 0 behind because I'm moving 72 in my place value chart one place to the left. So I got 720. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to multiply using the area model, which I think is like the distributive property that you may have heard on Zern, but it makes it a little bit easier to see it as a picture. So if we have 30 times 24, I go ahead and draw my rectangle. I know that one side is going to be 30. It doesn't matter which side, remember, but this side's a little longer, so I'm going to make that one my top. And then I label this side 24. Now I need to break up my numbers just like I would if I was doing expanded form. So I know that 24 is the same thing as 20 plus 4. I split my box. 30 is already broken up into just 10, so it stays the same. So to get the area of this box, I look over and I look up. So I multiply 20 times 30. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here, 20 times 30. I know that 2 times 3 is 6, and I have 2 zeros to shift behind. Now to find the area of this box, I look over and up. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 30. So I'm going to write 30 times 4. I know that 3 times 4 is 12, and I shift, 1 0 over. Now all I need to do is add up the areas of each of those boxes to find the total area. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7. So you can see that I still get the same answer. It's just, it depends which way you'd like to solve it. For today's problem set, you can solve them either way, but you must have work shown, either breaking up the numbers using the associative property, which means you can multiply any numbers in any order. It doesn't matter which order because it doesn't change your answer. Or you can use the area model, which is like the distributive property.